Hello kids, good morning. How are you? Today we will learn addition. Addition is when two smaller values combine to make a bigger value. Plus, this sign used in addition. This is one monkey. And this is another one monkey. If they both come together, then there will be two monkeys. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This is one pencil. And these are two more pencils. If they all come together, then there will be three pencils. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. This is one pig. And these are three more pigs. If they all come together, then there will be 4 pigs. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. This is one fish. And these are 4 more fishes. If they all come together, then there will be 5 fishes. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. This is one butterfly. And these are 5 more butterflies. If they all come together, then there will be 6 butterflies. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. This is one elephant. And these are 6 more elephants. If they all come together, then there will be 7 elephants. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. This is one bee. And these are 7 more bees. If they all come together, then there will be 8 bees. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. This is one apple. And these are 8 more apples. If they all come together, then there will be 9 apples. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. This is one ball. And these are 9 more balls. If they all come together, then there will be 10 balls. So 1 plus 9 equals to 10.